What if I told you you could influence a woman's mind without her even realizing it? Not with money, not with looks, but with pure psychology. See, attraction isn't random. It follows hidden patterns you can use to make her crave your attention, think about you nonstop, and even chase you. Today, I am exposing 5 powerful dark psychology tricks that will give you the upper hand with any woman. These aren't gimmicks. They're rooted in human behavior, and once you understand them, you'll never look at attraction the same way again. Welcome back to The Untold Truth. Let's dive in. Trick number 1, scarcity psychology. The less available you are, the more valuable you become. Human brains are wired to want what's rare. Diamonds, luxury cars, VIP access. They're desirable not just because of what they are, but because they're hard to get. Now, apply that to women. If you're always free, always texting back instantly, always available, guess what? You're not rare. You're common. And women don't obsess over common. So here's how to flip it. Don't always reply instantly. Wait, let her feel that tiny hit of anxiety. Don't cancel your plans just because she's free. Keep your priorities. Show her that your time is valuable, and she has to earn it. Scarcity psychology works, because when she doesn't get all of you, her brain tells her, why isn't he giving me more? What's so special about him? I need to find out. That curiosity, that hunger, that's obsession being born. Trick number 2, push and pull. If you want her hooked, you need to understand the power of inconsistency. It's called the push and pull technique. Give her affection, and then take it away. Think about it. Casinos don't hand out money every time you play. They reward you unpredictably. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and that's why people get addicted. Women's emotions work the same way. If you constantly shower her with affection, she'll take it for granted. But if sometimes you're warm and flirty, and other times distant and mysterious, her brain keeps chasing the reward. Example, you compliment her one day. You look gorgeous today. The next day, you stay silent. No compliments at all. She starts thinking, wait, did I do something wrong? Does he still like me? Congratulations. You just put her on an emotional roller coaster, and now she's addicted to your attention. Trick number 3, validation withdrawal. Most guys don't get this. They think the way to win a woman is to keep giving her validation, constant compliments, non-stop approval. But here's the dark truth. Validation loses value when it's always available. Instead, use validation withdrawal. Give her compliments, but then take them away. Here's how it works. In the beginning, compliment her genuinely. Let her feel that rush. Then slowly reduce it. Stop telling her how amazing she looks every time. When she notices the silence, her brain will panic. Why isn't he praising me anymore? Did I lose his interest? Now, she's not just enjoying your compliments, she's chasing them. That shift is powerful. Instead of you seeking her approval, she starts seeking yours. And once a woman starts chasing your validation, you're in control of the dynamic. Trick number 4, jealousy triggers. One of the strongest emotions in relationships is jealousy. I'm not talking about being toxic or playing with her feelings. I'm talking about subtle, controlled jealousy that makes her fight for your attention. Here's how. Casually mention that another woman complimented your shirt. Post a picture on social media with female friends. Or simply, stay mysterious about where you were and let her imagination do the work. The key here is subtlety. Don't overdo it. You're not trying to make her insecure. You're trying to make her competitive. When a woman feels like other women notice you, her instincts kick in. If other girls want him, he must be valuable. I need to lock him down. And just like that, you've positioned yourself as the prize. Trick 5, emotional anchoring. Humans naturally link feelings to people, places, and experiences. If every time she's around you, she feels excitement, fun, or happiness, her brain will unconsciously associate you with those emotions. So how do you do this? When she's having fun, amplify it. Make her laugh louder, smile bigger. When she shares something personal, be the one who makes her feel safe. When she's relaxed and comfortable, stay present and connected. Over time, her subconscious will start tying those positive emotions directly to you. Result: even when you're not around, she'll crave your presence because her brain has anchored good feelings with you. That's not just attraction, that's obsession. Now let's be clear, these tricks are powerful. They can make a woman chase you, crave you, and even fight for your attention. But with power comes responsibility. The line between influence and manipulation is thin, and the way you use these tactics will define the kind of relationships you build. So use them wisely. Use them to create attraction, spark chemistry, and build a connection that keeps her hooked. But don't abuse them, because the truth is, psychology can make anyone fall, but only authenticity can make them stay. This was the untold truth. If you found a value in these secrets, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, sometimes the biggest advantage you can have is knowing the psychology others don't.